I'm Swetla Pandya and today I'm going to tell that how your choices defines you. Your choices tells about your personality as well as your character, your mindset, etc. Whom you choose, why you choose, how you choose, and whatever you choose. Everything has a psychological effect. And after after entering into MBA and after knowing the marketing, I learned that everything is a mind game. What you choose, there also some kind of reason why you choose, and there is some kind of psychology is inside. So how you know a person well from their choices? So there is some kind of trick is also there. Like I'm saying that you like there is a proverb you might have heard from your friend circle. I can judge you. How are you? From your friend circle, sometimes you make friends some kind of benefits, some kind we make friends with other people to uh, to extract some knowledges, some information, etc. So in this professional world, how your choices matters a lot, this today I'm going to say. So whenever you are in a marketing sector, so which is your favorite sector? Which is your favorite background, or which is your favorite area which you really like most? Whenever people ask me that, why you choose marketing as for your future? Because I was, as I have already means in my previous video, you can check it out also in my previous video where I have told my means be strong, being unique. I have already discussed that how I was in my past. So from that, anyone can judge that I am a kind of person who I'm little bit introvert kind of person, as well as I'm a little bit extrovert also. I'm a medium, means not too much extrovert, not too much introvert also. But why I choose as marketing as my career? Because most of the time people say that if you will be choose marketing, then you have to be very extrovert and you have to be very cunning. Your communication skills will be very excellent. Your body language, your communication, your look, your everything is should be very professional in the approach. Do you really think that it's matter? Yes, it actually matters in marketing, especially whenever you are a marketing guy, whenever you are a marketing person, at that time your attitude, your personality, your behavior, your way of talking, your communication, everything actually matters. How you communicate with people, how you are convincing with people, and most important is how you study the mind of the people, how you understand your consumer behavior better. So that's the reason today I'm going to say that how your choices defines you. And mostly, and if anyone asks me that what is my most favorite marketing area, then I will surely say that one is branding, second is advertising, third is digital marketing, fourth is marketing research, fifth is marketing analysis. And these five areas I really like most because I feel that I'm more suitable to this, because I'm very creative. I'm good in analysis, because in if anyone will research more on my biodata, that person can realize that I love to analyze everything, even in person also. I'm not, that's the reason I'm still now I'm single, because I really can't believe anyone else easily, because I analyze each and every details of that person, how that person was, how that person is, what have the person has done in his past, or etc etc. No doubt, no past age actually matters for me, but I love to analyze the people well. And fourth one is creativity analysis, and fifth one is I am very research oriented. I love to go into deep in everything. And I'm also kind of image oriented people. I love to be maintain my images, and for keeping my image I can do anything else. But that reason actually I faced the problem in my past, because I still remember I have told my weakness to people that two things I control that in my life. One is my character, one is my career. Two C matters in my life most. That's the reason so people take the advantages of it, because that's the reason I also become very foolish in my past, and in my past video I have already told. That's why you shouldn't say your dream and your weakness to anyone else. You shouldn't say your weakness, otherwise people will punch you in that point only. People will try to drag you down through that point only. If you don't have any weakness, then and you can reach into the top. But I don't think that if you are a person, you are a human being, and you don't have any kind of weakness in your life. Everyone has. If every person in this world have some kind of weaknesses. Even I also have. So that's why I'm a very image conscious person. I'm creative, I'm analysis, I love to analyze, I love to research kind of area, and these other things. And the same time also I love to talk sometimes, but most of the time I love to be reserved. I'm morely towards the introvert, less extrovert. But when it comes to extrovert, I love to communicate with people what I really need. Whenever it comes to needing point, I really love to talk with people, as because for my own personal, for my personal work, for my professional work. That's the one. So this is my choice. If anyone will ask that what are the other choices, then I will surely say that other choices is HR, because I have my minor is my HR, because I know that I love to know the person's talent. I can easily recognize a person's talent well. That's the reason I choose HR as my minor. So your choices defines you well. How you are, how your means, how your mindset, everything else. From your choices, your person can be determined, or a person's personality and character can be determined well. Even if whom you choose as your friend cycle, from that perspective also it is very important. But when it comes to the corporate life, then how you can recognize that who is more important for you and who is not? And that's the biggest question, that is the biggest question that will come in front of you whenever you will go to the any kind of corporate office. At that time people will ask you that why you make friendship with us, why what's the need, how you behave, because different kind of people have different kind of behavior, different kind of personality. So you should choose that how you behave with some people, how you communicate with some people, and how your behavior should change as per the person to person, and that matters a lot. First you analyze the person, then after that you should behave accordingly. So that's why from the beginning I have told that how your choices matters a lot. If you make a person your friend, but that person is not in your type, then at that time you will be face problem, because your choices are wrong. But you can use that person for your professional way, so that can be good combination. You should make some kind of combination, good combination for your personal work. So your choices tells you that what kind of personality you are, and what kind of person you want to be become in your future. So be wise with your choices, because your choices can ruin you, can build you. So be wise enough whatever you choose. And because I am saying that, because I always love to experiment on me. I have already experienced lots of things in my life. Whenever if anyone such, I have mostly entered all the subjects, science, commerce, and zoology, engineering, everything I have completed. But now I am reached to the certain position. If anyone will ask me, I can give them a better suggestion that why you should focus on one, because I have already learned so many lessons after doing so many mistakes in my life. I learned that how choices affects you. No doubt I have knowledge now. I have knowledge in every sector. But whoever want that knowledge, no doubt knowledge will help you in every time people say. But whoever what the knowledge I have gone in biology, what kind of help I am getting now? Nothing. What kind of knowledge I have got in engineering, how much that is helping me, except you some kind of computer knowledges. So your knowledges help you in a certain level, but if you want to be get benefited, if you want to make your knowledge in a very best established manner, because because we are spending money for that. Even I am saying that for gaining knowledges I have spent near about 17 to 18 lakh, because from my school level to from my engineer from my college, my parents try to give me best education. Even KIT also, that is private college, triple I no doubt that government, but that is self-sustaining college where you have to spend near about 75,000 per semester, because that is a self-sustaining. I spend money for my medical and coaching sector. Even after that also I am spending 8 lakh for the more my MBA. So if you calculate whole total, I spend not less than 18 lakh near about for my whole education. But in the end result, what I got? Nothing. Seriously, this is true. This is the bitter truth in my life. What I am saying now, because for my wrong choices, for my wrong decision making, I am facing now. Even I have spent lots of money for my education, for my dream, but the output is not that much how much I actually expect. So that's why your choices defines you, how you means how you want to be in your future. You should make a plan, concrete plan, as per the from the beginning. If you want to be doctor, so either go for the medical. If you don't get the medical, better you should go for the private, or if you don't get the private, at least you should go for the means either in bioinformatics or biomedical or something like biorelated, which can help you to reach into that goal. Or forget about that. If you want to do business from the beginning itself, you should focus on the BBA, then after that MBA, and just go jump to the business. So for that reason your time will be saved, as well as your career will be saved, as well as your money will be saved. Everywhere you will be gainer. But if you will go through me, no doubt I have started my education very early age. I'm seriously, that's why I feel fortunate, because I started my education very early age. But what I've got, because if I means didn't drop to my medical, then I can earn from the last 2 years. Seriously telling, this is the truth. This is the bitter truth in my life. If I'll not go for the medical, or if I don't run after my dream, then I can also have 2 years of job experience in my life. That's why I'm saying that how your dream actually, how your choices makes you, how your choices ruin you, how your choices actually build you. Your choices defines you. So if you have certain kind of dream, don't fluctuate your mind more. If you are fluctuating your mind, means you are also wasting your money. Now no doubt I have knowledge in all the sector. Now I have knowledge in biology, physics, chemistry. Everywhere you will ask me the question, I am surely you will get some kind of answer every time. But what I am getting now, also I am struggling for a good kind of job, for a job which I can get after before 2 years, because I passed my engineering by 2014, so I can got a job there also. Means why I struggle more, but that unfortunate. That's why I'm saying that if you want to do something, but now I feel that yeah, I'm in right track, because I want to do something in business career. That's the reason I reach into the some person. But before 6 year I just want to do social work. That's the reason I just go through the medical, or I just think about the sociology or something like that, or IS exam. But now my mindset has changed within these 6 years of life. Now I just want to be entrepreneur, to see myself as a business personality, see myself in a corporate sector, and want to establish myself in a corporate world. And your mindset changes as per your timing, as per your dream, as per your career, as per everything. So your choices actually makes you. So from that you can get know that how your mindset actually changed from the timing to timing. There was a time I just want to be social worker, just simple. But after some period I just want to be corporate person, because your choices makes you as per your dream, as per your challenges. And I'm not saying that now also I don't have any interest in social work. Now I feel that I can go I can do better social work now than previous. In previous, I can help some few people through my social, through my money, or some kind of work. But now I can give more, much more better, because I can give employment to some people. I can help my nation through my through startups, and I can help many people, many poor people, by doing some kind of CSR work. So I feel that whenever your decision choose you, you also you also modifying your life as per that. So don't ever criticize your decisions, or don't ever say that your choices are wrong. But still sometimes I feel that as per I spend my money, but I have got nothing as per that, as compared to spending money, because I have already spent lots of money, but as compared to that I have not got anything. But in the same time my mindset has changed a lot, because the way I see my life and that time, the way I am seeing my life now, have changed a lot. The changing is has the great impact in your life. This is the effect of your choices. What you want to be in your past, what you want to be now, and what you want to see yourself in your future. Everything has an effect on you. So that's why today I'm going to say that why you should choose your people, why you should choose your career very carefully, because it actually defines you. It actually says that who are you, who you want to be in your future career. And as per that, it also modifies your personality, it also modifies your character, it also modifies you for how you want to see yourself. So that's why today I'm going to say be wise enough whatever you choose, because I have seen that many students are there by spending less money, but still they are highly successful, because they know that what they want to reach, why they want to achieve, what they want to achieve. But sometimes I also I can't blame myself more, because sometimes also my luck also didn't favor my fortune. I'm unfortunately I also didn't get whatever I want. That also your my great negative point. But in the same time also I feel that some points I feel like my choices were quite wrong. That's why I spend lots of money in time value of money, you can say. Means how much time I spend, how much money I spend, that much value I have not got. So that's why if you want to be utilize your time, if you want to utilize money, if you want to calculate how it is value addition to your education, how it is value addition to your life, at that time you will be very carefully take your steps. And once you have taken your step, don't go beyond, go back. Be stick with that. That's the only way you can achieve your dream, and within a short time span. Now I am 25 years old, but I can achieve my dream by 23 years old, seriously telling. Because it's all about, because my mind was just fluctuate what I will do, because I have lots of dream from my beginning. I still remember that when I was very child, means 4 years old, I have started my writing. When I didn't study also for means standard 4, because from standard 3 to standard 5 I just jumped from English medium to Odia medium. And my career was just like that. I just go through I have gone through the many schools, many different schools during my papa, when my papa is in railway, in the beginning, due to the transfer. So I have started my education very early age. But as compared to that, even I have as compared to that, I didn't reach unto the severest, means as soon as I started my education, I didn't reach as per my dream level. So that's why I'm saying that your timing is very limited. If you want to achieve something, try to achieve by 20 only. This is true, because I have also started my dreaming from when I was in 18 years. Seriously, when I was just joined my engineering, at that time I have started my dreaming about do something different, because I just thought that now medical is not in my hand. What I will do second, what I can do something which can remarkable, which can be very good for me. So at that time nothing was coming in front of me, nothing was, I just feel like blank at that time. But if you want to do something in your life, then better you should stick with one choices. If you want to do something, better spend money as per your dream. It is the best investment you can do for yourself, for your family, for your future. Because now sometimes I feel like before my parents that I'm a loser. I say my papa that I'm sorry papa, you spend lots of money, you have so many dreams on me, and I lose all. But forgive me for that. But I hope that I will never ever disappoint you for more, because I have dream and I know that it will be one day, it will come true in front of you. One day I will make you proud for that, because you have your investment you will never ever go in vain. That's the reason I'm saying that be wise enough whatever you choose. Because my dreams were, I'm very strict, or I'm very attached with my dreams. That's the reason it hurts me, and that's the reason I couldn't understand what the way I can do. But if anyone will ask me that what I should choose, I can give them better advices. I can tell them these are the ways where, if your dream, first of all, you just want that what your dream is. If your dream is to do social work, or means ultimate goal in your life, then what? If your dream is to earn money, then what will be? If your dream is to make your unique identity, then what are the careers you should choose? Because this is the only way you can save your time as well as money also. So your career actually choose you, or a career actually makes you a person whom you always dream for. So make your choices very wisely. Hope you like it. Thank you.